Debt collection. If you've missed a payment on a loan or a bill, you might be contacted by a debt collector, and that could feel really stressful. But you still have rights, and there are steps you can take to get back in control. So first up, let's talk about what debt collectors can and can't do. What they can do includes writing to you, ringing you, or texting you about the debt. They're allowed to contact you. But there are limits on when you can be contacted and how often. Contact must be no more than 3 times a week or 10 times a month, and only between 7:30 a.m. and 9 p.m. on weekdays, or 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. on weekends. And a debt collector cannot contact you on a public holiday. So what can a debt collector not do? What are they prohibited from doing? So they can't pretend to be from a court or a government agency or a law firm if they're not. They can't tell your family, friends or employer about your debt. They can't contact you at work if you've asked them not to do that. They can't pressure you to pay in full or to make large payments you can't afford. They can't pressure you to use your super, borrow more money or sell assets to pay the debt. And they can't visit you at home or work unless it is absolutely necessary, and you can ask them to leave immediately if that happens. And importantly, a debt collector cannot bully or harass you or try to embarrass you in front of others. So what are your rights? If you don't recognise the debt collector needs to provide you with the proof, and they have to stop any debt collection activity until they do. And you have the right to discuss a payment arrangement that you can afford. And really importantly, if you can't agree with the debt collector about an affordable arrangement or have been harassed, you may be able to lodge a dispute with a free dispute resolution service. If it is a credit debt, talk to AFCA, the Australian Financial Complaints Authority. If it is a telco debt, talk to the TIO, the Telecommunications Industry Ombudsman. If it is a utility debt, you'll need to Google the Energy and Water Ombudsman for your state or territory. And remember, you have rights and there is a way forward.